Hello everyone. First upon introducing myself, my name is Rahul Sanuke. I have completed BCS from Solapur University, and today's topic is encapsulation. Then let's start the let's start the what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a process. Encapsulation in Java is process wrapping the code and data together into a single unit. That's called encapsulation. For example, capsule which is mixed in several medicine, we can carry the full uh, exception in class in Java by making all data members of the class private. Now we can setter and getter method to set and get the in data in it. The Java bin class is example of the fully encapsulated class. Then next point is the advantages of encapsulation in Java. By providing only setter or getter method, you can make the class read only and write only. In other words, you can thus skip the getter and setter method. It provide you control. It provided you the control over the data. Suppose you want to the see the value of idea id which should be greater than 100 only. You can write logic inside the setter method. You can write the logic not to the store in the negative number in the setter method. It is way to achieve data hiding in Java because other class will be able to the access the data through in private data member. Encapsulate the class is easy to test. So it is better to testing the standard IDE to provide the facility generate the setter and getter and setter. So it is easy to fact to create the encapsulated class. Uh, then all about the encapsulation. The easy to understand. Then simple example of the encapsulation. Then creating a simple class demo, then creating a next class, then define the uh, class is the define class in this in this. Let's the simple example. Pack public class student, then private string name and public string get name, return the name. Then public set name the string parameterized constructor. Then string is parameterized, and this dot name is exactly equal to name. Then second one class is the test method. Then this inside the main method. Then creating object the student is equal to new student. So that time creating object name yes dot set name, then curly in quote Rahul, quote complete and close. Then this system dot out dot println yes dot get name. That time this method pass the get method the then parameterized constructor. Then this value passing the main method local instance variable. That time pass this instance variable access accessing this access this method in this local variable in this method access in this uh, instance method allocate value. Then this get method access this number and pass this value, and that time main method call this get name method. That time output is the Rahul. Then this get method is the private. That time not this variable is a private. That time not accessible in this directly in main method. That time set method is pass the variable in this time. the instance variable access this method and pass this number, and main method this call uh, s dot set name. That time access in output is the Rahul. Then uh, that's all about the encapsulation. Okay, thank you so much.